our celebration today is different. Kakaiba po. Maraming pagbabago because of the pandemic. But it is a call to all of us to continue this devotion amidst this pandemic. We need to pass this devotion from one generation to the next generation. Ito po yung panawagan po sa atin, mga kapatid. And this is the way to profess our faith and our life, and to promote, protect, and deepen our Christian identity. And let us be collaborators for promoting our Christian unity.
Dear brothers and sisters, this time of difficulty, we are all called to heed, to see Christ in our brothers and sisters who are in the same situation. May they be sick, may they be lonely, may they be in prison, may they be homeless and naked. See Christ in them. That is the best way for us to show, demonstrate, and prove that we are indeed a disciple of Christ.
Viva il Divino Rostro!
Viva!
Viva il Divino Rostro!
Viva!
Viva la Virgen!
Viva!